Give my viewers a bit of a reality check. It was after the meeting of these two generals on June the 6th that the Galwan fracas actually happened. So therefore, one is wondering whether these talks can actually achieve anything. In China, likely many more than that. Indian and Chinese talks are currently holding generals are holding that other round of military talks to diffuse tensions after the Galwan carnage. But what about Pangong? Things are in control in Galwan, but what about Pangong? India today has now accessed exclusive satellite imagery put out by analyst Nathan Ruser. Imagery that's been released of the actual meeting point where the current Lieutenant General level meeting is taking place. And this is where it is. You can see where the Pangong Lake is, and you can see where the meeting is actually taking place. The big demands being made by India, no-nonsense demands being made by India is do not even think of doing anything else except going back to the May 4th positions. That is, the Chinese army will have to pull back quite substantially. Gaurav, take us through India's big demands.
Do is give our viewers a visual context so that they can better appreciate where this meeting is taking place. Remember, these satellite pictures accessed exclusively by India today. But first, on a map of Jammu and Kashmir, I want to show you the broad area in which this meeting is taking place. On the Indian side, there's Chushul, and on the Chinese side, there's a place called Moldo. The dotted line here represents the line of actual control. So I want to come to the first satellite picture. This is a closer shot, and I've put it in context of Pangong because Pangong so has been in the news. So this is generally in the south direction of Pangong. This is Finger Four. So as you come down south from Finger Four, this is Chushul village, which comes in the middle. So this is now southeast of Chushul. This is the Indian BPM hut complex. So BPM is a border personnel meeting hut complex. I've marked it out in this circle. This is where the current meeting is taking place. The Chinese have a big border personnel meeting hut here in this area. But the meeting today is taking place along the line of actual control, and it's taking place in this area. So what I want to do now is take you to the next map, and we'll take you closer to the area and show you what this looks like on the ground. So this is a satellite image which shows you the area where this meeting is taking place. There are 3 helipads in the area. Now usually militaries tend to have more than one helipad. If one for whatever reason is inoperational on the day, you can then land on any of the other helipads. And then this is the Indian Border Personnel Management Hut Complex. It's a much bigger complex in this area than the Chinese BPM hut, which is marked out in this circle here. It's a much smaller hut. But that's where the meeting is taking place. Whichever army calls the hut, calls that meeting, the meeting tends to take place in their location. This is a flag post. India also has a flag post close to our hut, and the flag post is essentially where you have a Chinese flag up.
But just 19 kilometers away from where that meeting is taking place between generals on both sides, the biggest, most threatening advance by Chinese forces is taking place. While the focus has been on the Galwan Valley so far, the Chinese threat in Pangong So is escalating visibly day on day. Brand new satellite imagery that I'm about to show you, captured over the weekend and put out by Australian analyst Nathan Ruser, shows the Chinese are advancing threateningly in the Pangong area. This is a real encroachment onto Indian territory. Take a look at this exclusive story. Nathan joins us live and exclusive after that. Look closely at this image. Chinese outposts, but these aren't just camps with tents. Some of those objects you see are pillboxes. What's a pillbox, you're wondering? Pillboxes are concrete structures with a window from which to fire weapons, like this one. In normal course, this June satellite image put out by Australian analyst Nathan Ruser wouldn't cause much alarm. Except when you find out where these Chinese positions are. What you're looking at is here, the Finger 4 ridgeline on the banks of Ladakh's Pangong Lake. Last week we showed you how the Chinese had built up aggressively on this ridgeline, with these new Chinese positions staring down at a new Indian Army position barely half a kilometer downhill. And now we show you how the threat has visibly increased in the last few days. Satellite imagery captured over the weekend and put out by Ruser shows the Chinese are advancing down the hill by over 300 meters. The move is being seen as highly aggressive and provocative by the Chinese. Nathan Ruser, who has published these images, calls this the clearest transgression of the previously agreed upon status quo by Chinese forces in all of Ladakh. Now let's zoom out and show you how much China controls with its aggressive build-up here. The area between Finger 4 and Finger 8 is claimed by India, but is now overrun by Chinese positions, with the Indian Army now confined to a new position just west of the Finger 4 ridgeline. And this infamous beach is seeing plenty of activity too. After this violent brawl in 2017 and this one just last month, this is what the Finger 4 beach looks like now, with Chinese earth-moving equipment and 2 patrol boats clearly visible. With the Chinese build-up relentless and its intentions to change the status quo most glaring here in Pangong, the question is, how will India respond? Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.